Would you like to speed up your UX design process with AI? You can use AI across every stage of the design thinking process. If we refer to the double diamond model, discover, define, develop, and deliver, AI can help you speed up your work in each stage. Imagine you are starting a project and the first stage is discover, user research. You already know how time consuming and repetitive research can be. This is where ChatGPT or other LLMs can help. Recently, I was working on a project where I needed to understand the pain points of Google Pay and what real users were facing. I went through Play Store and App Store reviews. There were a huge number of reviews, and reading them one by one was tedious and time consuming. So I pasted both links into ChatGPT and asked it to scan all the feedback, identify patterns, highlight pain points, and tell how many users were facing each issue. Within seconds, ChatGPT summarized everything clearly. This is helpful, right? Next, we can explore potential competitors in the market. AI can help conduct competitor analysis, competitor audits, and give us structured information much faster. After secondary research, we can prepare open-ended questions for user interviews as part of primary research. AI can help draft these questions, but our goal should always be to uncover the user's behaviors, feelings, thoughts, emotions, and challenges. Think critically beyond AI's answers to discover authentic insights. Now let's talk about using AI for creating user personas. A quick reminder. A user persona is a fictional representation of the ideal user of your product. AI can generate a generic persona, but how do we ensure it aligns with our research findings? From my experience, the more information you provide to ChatGPT about your users, the more accurate and relevant the persona becomes. This includes research findings, interview insights, user challenges, pain points, and behaviors. But remember, you need to choose what and how much information you want to share with the AI tool. After creating initial persona draft with ChatGPT, you can validate it with your design team, product manager, or stakeholders. In the develop stage, during ideation, we can explore Notion AI. It works similar to ChatGPT, generating ideas based on your prompt, but the main difference is that it stores everything in one organized file. This makes it easier to find, organize, and navigate through ideas. I would like to give a small demonstration of Notion, how to use this in your brainstorming session. After logging in Notion, you can create one page and rename it. For example, I am keeping this page name Ideation. At the bottom, you can see Ask AI. On click of that, one toolkit is coming with few options. If you scroll down, you can see Brainstorm Ideas. So click on it and one typing area is coming. You can write what you are thinking or your problem statement or how you want AI to help you. And after firing the prompt, you will see AI is brainstorming ideas. After that, you can refine or you can ask to explain if there is any jargon or any ideation you want to expand. That's how you can use Notion. Now let's move to the design stage. We have Figma AI features and Figma Make, which speed up our workflow and help create initial design drafts. You can remove backgrounds, enhance resolutions, or edit images with prompts. I will give a small demonstration of Figma Make. So, in the prompt section, I typed create an mobile application. Through that, user can scan refrigerator and know what should consume first, otherwise it will be rotten and need to throw. Create a workflow starting from onboarding to application. Keep some images of green veggies, egg, bread, milk, etc. And surprisingly, within few seconds, it actually created the application. I simply wrote the problem statement in the prompt box and it generated a fully functional application. I made small modifications like changed the color, removed few icons, and checked the code section a little bit. In this interface, there are two parts. In the left hand side, there is prompt and conversation area, and in the middle part, there is preview and code area. You can even toggle between mobile and desktop views. Apart from these, there are many AI-based plugins that speed up your work in Figma. For usability testing, we can again use AI to create a list of usability scenarios, tasks, and follow-up questions. AI is extremely helpful, but at the same time, we must consider its limitations and ethical implications. No AI can replace empathy, and empathy is the most crucial part of user research. Another limitation is creativity. AI is great for generating basic wireframes and mockups, but you are the pilot. You are in the main seat driving the entire project. AI is your co-pilot. AI struggles to generate truly original ideas. Add your personal touch to make your product unique. AI's decisions depend on the data it is trained on. Biased data leads to biased result. In the end, AI shouldn't replace you as a designer. Your skills are special. They include your unique way of seeing things, your artistic sense, and your ability to understand emotions and human needs. Human centered design is about crafting experiences that resonate with people, and this requires empathy, cultural awareness, and an understanding of behavior. Think AI as a helpful friend for everyday tasks and for generating new ideas for your design projects. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a good day.